Okay. This is Dallas and Bliss. This is excellent. Low Master Standard. Calusa, September 20th, 2015.
No, it's it is. Just ask somebody who couldn't do that.
She did do it. She thought about that. Oh, man. She even said that.
Yeah. No. You don't cue. I'm not gonna die.
I'm used to that. I'd be dead already. A long time ago.
All right. You got plenty for your money, I call it.
Yeah.
Good parts. That's what I say too. Young dogs, good parts.
Yes. Moments of brilliance.
Yes.
That's what I call it.
Yes, exactly. Good save. Good girl.